Transformational Conscious Arts. The art of acceptance. We can only really gain vision by living life and playing out what we need to in order to learn and grow. We are not here to get it right. We are here to make mistakes and to experience life with our eyes wide open in order to develop discernment and wisdom. Only then can we really graduate from behavior patterns, situations, and relationships that no longer serve us. So acceptance is a tool that really allows us to flow with life. And it's a tool that sometimes I find challenging because I guess a lot of my desires and programs and expectations in life always have a desired goal or outcome that I want to achieve. And life isn't like that, and the intelligence of the universe doesn't always work like that, because sometimes what it's going to give me is going to be far greater than any of my own expectations. So learning to accept reality is a big tool, I guess, in learning how to just relax into the moment. And as part of that, learning how to allow and also to accept ourselves, to accept myself in my imperfections, And then then if I accept myself, I can accept other people too. As we allow ourselves to get it wrong and to accept ourselves in all of our imperfections, we move into deeper self-love and allowing. As we accept ourselves, we can also accept others. We allow them to experience what they need to without interference and judgment. We realize that everything is unfolding perfectly, and that the intelligence of the universe is guiding us in a way that is totally unique to our process.
There's parts of ourselves that we don't want to go into because they scare us, Personally, that's kind of, by the time I really started practicing the arts, I'd kind of had enough of, what was going on? What were these thoughts patterns? What was going on with these voices? Always making me feel strange, and what were they all about? There's aspect of our mind that's pure mind that is psychosis. We all got an aspect of us that's crazy. We spend most of our lives trying to pretend we're not crazy. There is a part of us that's nuts, and really that part of us is screaming out, wanting us to engage with me, see what's happening here. And when you do, that is a deep process, and you got to accept all these aspects of ourselves because we're human. So you name it, jealousy, competitiveness, hate, need, whatever.
Self-judgment.
We have it all.
Yep.
This aspect of me has it all, some more than others. Some aspects of it are stronger than others. But as humans, we have it all. And if we're in denial in relation to it, and hey, that's a big part. If you're not even engaging with it, you're certainly in denial. If you do engage with it, it makes you whole.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not like there's something in the background that's operating you, leading you strange places, or what is it? What's it doing? Do you know all of yourself? The arts allow you to do it, and accepting every aspect of yourself, even accepting parts of yourself that you think are you, and you'll find out that they're not you. But at least if you go there, you've a chance to know, and that goes across the board. So it can sort out a lot of confusion in relation to a lot of different issues, and really, if people really got on board this worldwide, it would change a lot of things. It would change a lot of things, because you see it in the media, you see it all over the world. You see it in football. The World Cup's on right now, and people you kick a guy, he falls on the ground, you're like, oh, I didn't touch him. You did. You did. These aspects of ourselves are always pretending that it's not how it is. But, that dissipates when you really engage. I'm going to say that the last thing was really the biggest turning point in relation to me and my tumour that was on the base of my brain, was realising that I had this aspect of myself that first it opened my head and went at it with this and went at it at that, and then put radiotherapy into it and all that sort of stuff. It was trying to kill this aspect of me, So, because I was terrified that it was going to kill me. Now, it was only until I really fully merged with it and realised that I was terrified with it that I had a chance to break the energetic contraction that was caused by the operation, by the radiotherapy, and the part of me that didn't want to engage with it, engaging fully with your illness, all aspects of yourself, any illness you can talk about. I know deeply from myself, has any range, a huge range of emotional issues related to it. That causes the confusion, it causes the cells to go all over the place, and people get sick from that, That's not something that's covered by Western medicine, and I wouldn't be alive without Western medicine. But then there's the other side to it, and it's so important. It just is. Now, people don't need to engage with it, but if you do, you can really cure, you can cure the foundation of it.
The Transformational Conscious Arts and their mastery guides us there.